Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. I want to share with you the new way to buy online the ultimate work tools for professional maintenance and repair operations. Introducing the BETA C25 Tank Trolley with Shelf. This is the ultimate solution for all your tool organization needs. With a fold-away lid and a sliding drawer, you can keep everything secure and accessible. The tool tray is protected by foamed rubber mats. No more slipping tools. Plus, the shelves are safeguarded by oil and fuel-proof mats, ensuring durability. Rolling smoothly on 4 casters, 2 fixed and 2 swiveling with a brake, you can maneuver this beast anywhere. And for added versatility, you can even add one more shelf on the opposite side. Need to store your sockets? The empty thermoformed tray is perfect for half-inch sockets and accessories. And don't forget about the optional paper roll holder for easy access. Get your BETA C25 Tank Trolley with Shelf today and transform your workspace into a powerhouse of efficiency. Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.